Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Hey, I got a quick little video to show you today about a good deal on some gold. It's not spot, but it's pretty close. So I got this email from SD Bullion about adding to their Black Friday sale. And as you can see here, we're talking about the US commemorative gold coins. And as most of you know, I do a lot of videos on picking these up off of eBay for spot or a little bit above spot. But right now, this is even a better deal than on eBay with eBay bucks. The only con, I guess, if there was one, is that you don't know which commemorative you're going to get. So if you're worried about the design or what it looks like, you'll have to be willing to just get the random one in the mail. But the fact is, these are almost a quarter ounce of gold and at a pretty good price. So as you can see here, they're saying it's 1.5% over spot. And if you use a check or a wire, it's $446.72. Now, it's been a long time since I paid below $450 for one of these. And again, mind you, I buy these for the bullion content, not for the numismatic value, although maybe a few of them have some. But let's go ahead and look at a few details. So here we are, $446.72. So let's go over the Liberty coin on eBay, which is where I buy almost all my commemoratives from. So you can see liberty.coin, and let's visit their store. And if we go to gold and then modern US gold commemoratives, you can see here they start showing some. Got some pretty cool ones here. And the prices are about the same, $485, $480 basically, $485. It just depends on the design, I think, more than anything. But let's take a look at, what's the cheapest one here? $479. All right, let's look at this one. So we look at the $479.85. And you can see down here, there's $23.99 back on eBay bucks. So let's do the math on that. So if we do 479.85, we minus the eBay bucks, which is 23.99. We can pick this up for $455.86. Well, we can see here that that's still more expensive by about $10. It's more expensive than what you can pick it up from SD Bullion, and most SD Bullion's a reputable company. So I think that's a good deal. Now remember, these are only 0.2419, they're not 0.25 on the amount of gold in there. But let's take a look. You see an SD Bullion, 1824.18 is the current spot price. So let's see what this gold would be if you got it for spot. So if we take 1824.18 and we multiply it by 0.2419, which is how much gold is in this coin, you can see spot would be $441.27. So you're really only paying about $5 over spot for a gold coin. That's not bad. And if we go back to our eBay ad or eBay listing, it was another $10 or so, so about $15 over spot. That's still not a bad deal. With the eBay bucks, you have to wait, a few months to get that $24 back. So anyway, I just thought I'd show this. I don't know how long these will stay in stock. Usually these Black Friday deals run out pretty quick. But this isn't a bad deal if you're looking to pick up some gold, some US mint type gold, and add into your stack. This is a good way to do it. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.